Tirgu Mures. I hope I pronounce it well. Sorry, my Romanian people, if the pronunciation is not fine. Tirgu Mures. Okay, okay. So they correct me. They are here. So my train is almost here. I think this is the right train. I'm going to Rabon. Razboyan.
Two.
We are going to Razboyan as well.
Okay, this one, right?
This is the one.
Thank you. Thank you, Elena and Cosmin. And Cosmin, sorry, my friend, if I said your name not so correct, but his nickname is Comeback. They take care of me very well right here in Tirgu. So let's go to Cluj. Okay. I'm going to change the train to Cluj. So you too?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'm changing train in Razboani. Razboen.
Yes. Kind of.
Okay. The name is Razboen. I have to change there to Cluj. Have you been to other countries before? Because you speak good English. Where have you been?
I try my best.
Okay.
But not really. Throughout Europe a bit, but that's why.
Okay. So you are a student?
Yes. In Cluj.
In Cluj. Okay. That's cool. Shouting with the locals. Kind of very friendly.
France. Inshallah.
You want to visit France?
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. It's a beautiful country. Yes, it's good. Where did you visit? Paris? Where? Paris. Oh, it's nice. I'm kind of shouting with some Pakistani over here. So people from Pakistan, they saw me, they say, oh, they want to know me, and they come to talk to me, and they are inviting me to Pakistan. Said I should come to Pakistan. So you will see me one day in Pakistan. I'm coming one day in Pakistan. They are inviting me to Pakistan. So one day my Pakistanis, you will see me. So nice. I'm coming to Pakistan. He said he has a lot of respect for anyone that is traveling around the world, like tourists. You like it? Why do you like it?
I like it. Tourist tour in nature places,
Yes.
natural places. But I am tourist.
Okay, you are tourist also. Okay.
Also.
Like attract like. Look at the lake. These guys are fishing there. It's a pity I couldn't catch them. They are fishing over there.
Lake is so little. You go to Pakistan, a lot of big lakes.
Oh, it's telling me a lot about Pakistan. That there's a lot of lakes, beautiful places. It showed me a lot of great photos.
Of lake.
Oh.
Going to any lake, a lot of difficult roads, so risky.
Whoa. Oh no. I like dangerous things, so I like I like dangerous things, so I like to push myself to the limit.
Second, in the world mountain, big mountain K2
It's in Pakistan.
in Pakistan.
The second
Mount
biggest
Everest, K2 Mount Everest.
the second biggest mountain in the world is in Pakistan.
First in Nepal and second in Pakistan K2.
Yes, it's true, because everybody only knows about the Nepal one, but we forget the second biggest, which is Pakistan.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a very great destination, guys. So, guys, you have to check out Pakistan. Pakistan is a great place to check out.
Yeah.
It's a great destination. No, these are destinations that is not that known in the world. People don't go to this place a lot. Tourists don't go to this place a lot.
A lot of
But
places.
there are a lot of great places over there to visit. to see. Thank you for sharing. They came to me. They said, "No, we want to talk to you. We want to know you," and they invited me to Pakistan and telling me a lot of things about Pakistan that I should go and visit. Wow. I will go. I'm go. My Pakistani people, wait for me. One day I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah. Thank you. So welcome to Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah.
That station
This is kind of a village.
Romania mountains is little. Pakistan
Big.
big.
Oh, Romania mountains are little bit. Pakistan is big.
Places and
Big mountains, big lakes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you
For your time.
so much.
Thank you. I remember your invitation. I'm working hard. One day you will see me in Pakistan.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for the invitation.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wow. Wow. It is so heartwarming. I don't know the word to use. These are the kind of things that makes me to travel, and these are part of the things that, even though when I see some things that I didn't really expect, some, let me say, some unpleasant experience, I don't like to talk about it. I always love to share about the good side of life, because there are good people everywhere. Look, random strangers chatting with Pakistanis, inviting me to Pakistan. Seriously, they came talking to me that, please, we want you to go to Pakistan, and we are ready to help you whenever you want to go to Pakistan. Contact us, take my contact, and they said they want to see me there, and they are going to help me, take me around the whole of Pakistan. So it is mind blowing. I'm not expecting all this. It's a wonderful day. After meeting these two couples from Tirgu, now it's Pakistan again. So thank you guys. This is where they are living. This is their stop. Simple. So they stop named Simple. It's like a village. It's a village. Simple. I'm really curious. I want to be vlogging villages to experience how village life looks in Europe. Here in Romania, I hope I can be able to do some of them. If not, my upcoming videos, I will start doing more of villages and towns, as I've already done in Hungary. So I will start doing more village vlogging to explore more, and to learn about European village life. Kind of tired, but I think we still have about 2 or 1 stop to get our destination before we change to the train to Cluj. From here we have to change now to Cluj, which is another about 1 hour 30 minutes, or more than 1 hour 30 minutes on train again. So wow, I sleep only 3 hours yesterday night, and I wasn't expecting all this journey, but I was suggested by these great friends of mine in Tirgu, great couples, Cosmin, I think I said it well. Or Comeback, his nickname is Comeback, and Elena. They suggest to me to take this trip this way. So it's interesting. So I can be able to share with you some beautiful cities and towns and villages. Train to Cluj. Okay, sorry. So this is the train to Cluj.
Yeah, Cluj.
Cluj. Okay. Thank you.
Hai la Cluj, care veniți? Mai bine nici la Cluj.
Okay. Let me go home. Whoa. There is no place. There is no place. No place, no place.
Da, lecție și paltou. Ai ceva în el? Dar nu pare asta.
Tirgu Mures. We have arrived finally after more than 12 hours. I started my journey from Hungary since 4 o'clock in the morning. And now finally we are right here in Cluj. So I'm going to find my way out to the hostel, and tomorrow I'm going to relax tonight, and tomorrow I'm going to share with you how the city of Cluj really looks like, and where you can also go to visit if you are coming around Cluj. So let's connect. This is Cluj. This is Cluj.
Numărul 10.750.
Wow! Great, 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 great. I don't know which way to go. I don't even know which way to go, but I'm going to ask someone over there to know my direction where my hostel is. So exit. Exit. Wow. This is the train station of Cluj. So let me get ticket for tomorrow movement. From Tirgu, you have to take the first train to Rabuani, something like that. It's very difficult for me to pronounce. And from there, you have to change. That is coming to Cluj. So this is Cluj here, guys. So this is how to get to Cluj. I really have an awesome time in the train and throughout the journey. And even it is the help of my friends that makes me to come to Cluj. So thank you guys, and thank you also my Pakistani friends and also random other Hungarian guys I met on the way. So it is awesome, spontaneous and raw and cash. So this is how it is. See you guys on the next one right here in Cluj. Ciao. I am Joel Tamara. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so you will get notified of my upcoming videos as I take you to every country on earth. Until then, have a wonderful and inspiring day. Bye bye.